History of Meghalaya. Meghalaya, meaning abode of the clouds, has a rich and powerful history shaped by indigenous kingdoms, colonial resistance, and cultural pride. Ancient and indigenous period, before British rule, Meghalaya was home to three main tribal communities: Khasi Jaintia, Panar, Garo. Each had its own independent kingdoms and traditional governance systems. Khasi Hills. The Khasi people were ruled by chiefs known as CM. The region was divided into small independent states called Hema. Jaintia Kingdom. The Jaintia Kingdom was one of the most powerful kingdoms in the region. It ruled parts of present-day Meghalaya and Assam before British annexation in 1835. Garo Hills. The Garos lived under local chiefs called Nokma and had a strong clan-based system. British period, 1820s to 1947. The British entered the Khasi Hills in the 1820s to build roads between Assam and Bengal. Anglo-Khasi War, 1829 to 1833, led by U Tiro Singh, the Khasi people resisted British control. Though he was eventually captured, he remains a symbol of bravery. Khasi and Jaintia resistance. Other heroes include Karfan Nonglayit, assisted in the resistance against the British. Leaders from the Jaintia kingdom who opposed British annexation. The British later merged the region with Assam. Post-independence movement. After India gained independence in 1947, Meghalaya became part of Assam. However, the Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo people demanded a separate state to protect their culture and identity. This movement was led by the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference, APHLC. Formation of Meghalaya, 1969. Meghalaya became an autonomous state within Assam. 21st January 1972, Meghalaya became a full-fledged state of India. Today, Meghalaya consists of East and West Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, Garo Hills capital, Shillong modern Meghalaya. Meghalaya is known for rich tribal culture, matrilineal society, living root bridges, high literacy rate, music and youth culture. It continues to preserve its traditional institutions while growing as one of Northeast India's most culturally vibrant states.